Alright, in this video we are going to simplify a couple rational exponent expressions. So we're going to start with this one. I got 49 to the 3 halves, 49 to the 3 over 2. So remember that what this means in terms of radicals is 49 to the 3 halves is the equivalent of taking the square root of 49 cubed. Okay, the square root of 49 cubed. All right. Now, important thing when you're doing these is that the order doesn't matter. So an alternate way of thinking about this problem is that it is the square root of 49 to the third power. In other words, which operation you do first, the root or the power, doesn't actually make a difference. And this bottom one is going to be a lot easier to evaluate. The reason being, does anybody happen to know the what 49 cubed is off the top of their head? Nope, neither do I. 49 cubed is going to be a really big number. It's going to be harder to do. You could use a calculator, but if we look down here, who knows what the square root of 49 is off the top of their head? The square root of 49 is, of course, 7. So if I do that one first, what I end up with is just 7 cubed. And 7 cubed is 343. Okay? All right. So same thing over here. I got 27 to the negative 4/3 power. Same idea. It's going to be, throw one more wrinkle at you because I got a negative, but it's going to be the same kind of idea. So I'm going to think of this as being the cube root of 27 to the negative 4th power if I write it in radical form. So cube root of 27, 27 is a perfect cube, so cube root of 27 is just 3. So what I ended up with is 3 to the negative 4th power. Now, what is 3 to the negative 4th power? Well, 3 to the 4th power is 81. 3 to the 4th power is 81. So 3 to the negative 4th power is the reciprocal of that, or 1 over 81. Remember that a negative exponent just makes something its reciprocal or changes it into a division. So my final answer in this one is 1 over 81. Okay. Now, calculators are able to do rational exponents. So if you want to, you can use your calculator for this. It just might not be written in a nice easy form. Like for example, depending on the calculator, instead of 1 over 81, it would probably give you the decimal equivalent, which you then can convert to a fraction. But if you understand how rational exponents work, you can actually do some of these by hand pretty easily.